We have made it to Lucknow!
City of kebabs.
City of kebabs and Nawabs. Nawabs and kebabs. So main intention is
To eat kebabs.
the main intention of coming here is to eat kebabs and biryanis. Biryani's everything. I'm
And,
saying yes because I want to eat more. But the thing is, both of our stomach is not that great.
Yeah, not in good shape.
Eating a lot of street food, I think it has been given up.
Yeah, but-
It disappointed us. It gave up too early. But we are feeling okay now. Better than yesterday.
Yeah, better than yesterday. So today we are again determined to eat kebabs and
Yes.
biryanis.
First thing we are doing is buying some chicken. Yeah, you heard it right. We are going to buy some chicken. So we are right now in chicken shop. Aisha is shopping already and she has brought already one chicken. Don't know how much she'll buy more. So let's see what she's buying. Where are we going?
So basically we're doing chicken shopping in Lucknow. Chicken means not eating wala chicken. This is something which we wear over here. Very famous and design which is called as chickenari. So I'm buying some kurtis of that design. So I finished my chicken shopping. I bought 2 chicken kurtis. They are really very pretty and both are in white color. I bought white because they said we can dye just to any other color. So I'll wear white for some days and then dye it. I've come here with my very good friend Arpita. So she's from Lucknow and she took us around for shopping and she did good. She did bargain well and we got chicken for good rate. And Tej did nothing.
I did driving.
Driver. So we are done with chicken. Now it's time to try mutton. And when we are in Lucknow, something that everyone recommends is trying tunde kebabi. So we are at tunde kebabi at Amina Bazaar. We have come to try the famous mutton tunde kebab and biryani. We have ordered it. We're just waiting for our food to come and dig in.
So this is called Mughlai Paratha. It's very big and it is a perfect combination with your tundai kebab. So you just take some tundai kebab and put it in paratha and eat. So you can either eat with the Mughlai paratha or sheer which is kind of orange in color. So it is little bit on a sweeter side sheer is and it is thick. So kebab cost 120 rupees and paratha cost around 20 rupees and biryani cost around I think 120 rupees again. Divine.
So there is a very interesting story associated with tunde kebab. Basically, there was a king who used to love eating muttons, but when he got old, his teeth came off and he couldn't eat any meat. Then he ordered all his chefs to cook something that will melt in his mouth. So many chefs came, they tried everything. Last one chef created this tunde kebab, which just literally melts in your mouth. So that's how this tunde kebab got its name, because tunde means melting in your mouth.
So yesterday there were a lot of planning done to eat many more and explore many Lucknow food, but we could not do it because both of us tummy is
yeah.
upset a kind. I think we have recovered a little bit, but today we are going to try some nice biryani.
Yeah, before that we'll be
famous
visiting
biryani.
some places as well.
Yes, and it's very interesting places. We'll tell you on the way. Now let's go.
So our first spot for today is Rumi Darwaza. This is basically a city gate and it has a very beautiful architecture. There are 3 kinds of design in this architecture. 2 are related to our wearables and 1 is related to food. If you ask me what are the first 2, That is, one is the chiknari design, which is there for basically chicken kurta, and one more is a design of necklace. If you turn it upside down, it will look like a necklace. And the third one, which is a food, it is nothing but your cardamom. It is in the design of cardamom. So right now we are near Satkanda building, and there is a very interesting story about this building. It is based upon father and daughter's love. So the Nawab of this place built this building for his daughter so that she could see the Eid ka chand during Eid. But however, she died at an early stage. This building was supposed to be a 7-story building, but since she died early, its construction stopped at 4-story only.
Next, we went to Bara Imam Bara. This is the one of the oldest building in Lucknow and the historic one. This was constructed in 1784 by Nawab of Awadh, and this consists of multiple buildings such as mosque and other buildings which we are not sure what it is, but we were not allowed to film inside using our DSLR, or nor we are allowed to take any other gadgets. We were only allowed to take phone. But the interesting thing here is the Bulbulaya or labyrinth. So it is said that there are 1024 ways to go from ground floor to the roof, but there is only 2 ways to come down. So which was interesting, and here you are not allowed to go without the guide. You have to take the guide, and guide will charge you anywhere between 100 to 250 rupees per person. Now we are in Lucknow airport on the way back, and we are going to Bangalore from Lucknow, and it was a very expensive ticket. It fell around, after all the discounts and after our usage of our points, it still came to 6,000 per person, so it was a very expensive flight.
So when we came to UP, I was not very comfortable because we hear a lot of things in news, but I anywhere didn't encounter any situation. I felt super safe.
Yeah, even I felt super safe.
People were helpful.
Yeah, helpful even in Banaras, Agra. We went on a walk in Lucknow at night, like 2-3 kilometers. We didn't feel that, awkwardness or something.
Yeah, correct.
So that's it from this vlog, guys, and Lucknow was amazing. We would love to come back to Lucknow just to eat. Because we are not satisfied with how much we ate today, because we ate very less. So we would come back again next time.
I think we have not put on weight in this trip because we didn't
I think
eat.
I lost weight because of stomach upset. So take care, guys, and be careful while eating junk food or roadside food.
And if you have watched our video till here, then do subscribe to our channel. We'll get many great content. Our 10 state thing is done. So new year, new challenge.